केरळा ब्लास्टर्स आयएसएलान ह्या वर्सा अजून एकूय गेम जिखिल्ले ना, मात ही टीम बरी स्ट्रॉंग आसा. आमी तांकां कमी लेखपाची चूक करचे ना अशें संकेत एफसी गोवाचो कोच सर्जिओन दिल्या. एफसी गोवा आड केरळा ब्लास्टर्स मॅच शेनवारा राती जातली. ह्या मॅचीच्यो स्टेडियमा वेल्यो सगळ्यो टिकेटी खपल्यात म्हूण कळटा.
Yo creo que Kerala no solo es un equipo bueno a nivel defensivo, creo que es un muy buen equipo, tiene jugadores de mucho potencial en la parte ofensiva, aunque hasta ahora es un equipo que ha defendido bien, pero vuelvo a repetir, creo que es un muy buen equipo no solo a nivel defensivo, sino en todas las facetas del juego. Es un equipo que ningún equipo aún le ha conseguido ganar, y sabemos que mañana nos vamos a enfrentar a un buen equipo no solo defensivamente, sino también ofensivamente.
I wouldn't classify Kerala as just a defensive team. From what we've seen up until this point in time, they have been very strong defensively, but I think they have a lot of players who have a lot of quality and can create a lot of chances. Again, I'm going to reconfirm that tomorrow we're going to be facing up against a rival who I think has a lot of very good organization, both in attack and defense, and we'll have to be at our best to ensure that we get the points that we're looking for.
Yo sinceramente creo que intentar ponernos en la cabeza del otro equipo, de los jugadores del otro equipo, es algo que no es positivo para nosotros. Nosotros tenemos que saber nuestras necesidades pasan por que si queremos estar arriba necesitamos ser un equipo regular, un equipo fuerte en casa, es nuestro segundo partido en casa y nosotros necesitamos ganar, ¿no? Queremos ganar. Por lo tanto, más allá de la necesidad que tenga el equipo contrario, es algo que no nos tiene que preocupar en exceso y sí que nos tiene que preocupar estar nosotros bien al 100%.
I don't think there's much point in my team trying to think about how the other team is going to play. Trying to get into their heads will not help us in any way whatsoever. What we need to focus is on ourselves as a team at home. To be a top team, you have to be strong at home, and that's what we're going to be focusing on. We need to focus on our core skills and look towards improving ourselves rather than trying to think about what the other team is going to do, because that is just a waste of time.
Bueno, yo creo que al final el calendario es como es, no como a uno le gustaría que fuera, y lo que tenemos que hacer es adaptarnos. Cuando tenemos más días libres tenemos más tiempo para poder trabajar ciertos aspectos, pero también es verdad que perdemos un poquito el ritmo de competición, y más cuando vienes de ganar un partido, que yo creo que es bueno poder jugar el siguiente, ¿no? Pero bueno, vuelvo a repetir, son días de trabajo, son días que intentamos aprovechar para seguir creciendo como equipo, para seguir mejorando, y eso es lo que hemos hecho.
It is true that 8 days is a long time, but again the league is devised the way it is. It's not the sort of fixtures that have been drawn up to at our ease. It's based on whatever the league comes up with. We need to learn how to adapt ourselves to the calendar and then improve ourselves accordingly. It is true that we lose a little bit of the rhythm while playing, particularly after a win, because we want to keep playing again to sort of keep going that rhythm. But what we have to do is take these 8 days as a positive and try and work on certain aspects within our game and try and improve ourselves for the next time we take to the field.
No, Colunga aún no estará disponible para el partido de mañana, está en un proceso de recuperación que esperemos que sea lo más rápido posible, pero de momento no va a estar disponible para el partido de mañana.
No, he's not ready yet. He has returned to first team training, but I don't think he's 100% to play tomorrow. We've tried everything that we could to try and get him recovered as soon as possible. Tomorrow he won't be ready.
Bueno, primeramente es un tema de normativa, de que yo solo puedo utilizar 5 jugadores extranjeros y tengo que decidir en qué posiciones lo tengo que hacer, ¿no? Bruno vino de jugar un muy buen partido y no por eso salió. Después también es verdad que cada partido es diferente y cada partido exige cosas diferentes. Yo voy a hacer la que creo que es la mejor alineación para este partido, para intentar afrontar un partido como que nada. No tiene nada que ver un partido contra Mumbai como por ejemplo contra un equipo como Bengaluru. Son equipos que juegan completamente diferente y necesitamos perfiles de jugadores diferentes. Por lo tanto, vuelvo a repetir, un tema es la normativa y otro tema es que cada partido es diferente y utilizo los jugadores que considero que están mejor para ese tipo de partido.
There are two things that we consider. The first one is obviously the rules of the league, where you're required to only play a maximum of 5 foreigners at a particular point in time. So given that that is a limitation, we need to adjust ourselves and balance our foreigners within the team. The second thing that I look at is sort of the opponents that we're coming up against and different sort of games that we're going to be playing. For example, the match that we played against Mumbai and the match that we played against Bengaluru were two very different teams with different styles of play. So we had to adapt ourselves to situations that we were sort of facing. I will always pick the best first 11 that I think will help us to win the game, and so those are the two things that I focus on, largely the composition of how many foreigners I can take and also who we're coming up against.
It's going to be an interesting game for sure. I think I've seen him, I've followed all the ISL matches, so obviously I've had a close look to Goa. If you look, I thought they had a really strong start in against Chennai away. They played an excellent first half. They got some really good footballers. They've got a specific style of play. Anybody can see that, and if you let them, they can hurt you. I think also other teams have showed that you can sort of cause problems for them, and that is obviously what we try to set out to do tomorrow. But we're well aware of their strengths, and you know, that is something we have to deal with, and that's where we prepared for.
दोन दिवसाच्या पश्चिम विभागीय बॉक्सिंग सर्तीत महाराष्ट्र 10 भांगरा पदका सहित चल्या आणि चलयांच्या गटान वस्ताद थारले. यजमान गोंयांक 7 भांगरा पदका मेळ्ळी. गोंयान उपवस्ताद पण जोडले. चलयांच्या गटान यजमान गोंयाक 4 जाल्यार चलयांच्या गटान 3 भांगरा पदका मेळ्ळी. गोंय बॉक्सिंग असोसिएशनान पेड्या खेळा संकुलान सर्त दवरिल्ली.
तीन जणांनी म्हटलं मेन सपोर्ट केला. मेडल डॅडी दर्शक निलेश सर आणि तिसरी रजनी मिस, ती सदांच म्हाका सपोर्ट करता आणि सदांच मोटिवेट करता की मेडल बरें करूंक जाय म्हणून. आणि म्हाका तेंचें नांव रोशन करूंक जाय आणि नॅशनलाक गोल्ड मेडल हाडूंक जाय, हीच म्हाजी इच्छा.
So we have now, what we have seen, we have participated in this West Zone First Youth Men and Women Championship, and we have won really hard, practice really hard to win this, and we got these gold medals. Our team have performed very well. We got 4-5 golds, silvers, and most of them of us were even in finals today. We played the tough opponents were from Maharashtra. In this tournament now 6 teams were participating, so it was really a good this fight and good competition.
This has been a great experience for me fighting over here, and there were 6 teams from Goa, and it was a great experience. Like, it was very fun, and that's boxing is great. I just want to say.
And this making of these good boxers can come from a group of talent. So the group of talent can be anywhere and everywhere. So it's a normal, if you ask me, a common approach. If you ask the state or the country, the common approach is cricket or football. Because you have a fan-centric approach, you have a career, you have a name, and you are known around. The fame and the money is around. When you talk about individual sports, there's a lot of hard work. Like you have these coaches who are doing a lot of hard work today. Their only success stories are after evolving boxers who get medals for themselves. If I take boxing as a vertical. Similarly, any sport, the whole ecosystem from the association to the coaches to the boxers or the athletes, that should be in a proper focused approach.
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आणि प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह पळोवपाक मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात. नमस्कार.